Chapter 2, Connect Google Cloud SQL with apps and tools. Examples: how to connect Google Cloud SQL with apps like Google App Engine and tools like MySQL Workbench. In this document, we will see how to create a Google Cloud SQL instance and connect them in your Google App Engine application and MySQL Workbench admin tool. Google Cloud SQL. Google Cloud SQL is a fully managed database service that makes it easy to set up, maintain, manage and administer your relational MySQL databases in the cloud. Google Cloud SQL provides a relational database that you can use with your app engine application. Cloud SQL is a MySQL database that lives in Google's cloud. Refer https:/cloud.google.com/sql/ https:/cloud.google.com/sql/docs. Creating SQL instance. A Google Cloud SQL instance is a MySQL database hosted in Google's cloud. Number 1. Go to the Cloud SQL Instances page in the Google Cloud Platform console. https:/console.cloud.google.com/SQL instances and click Create Instance. Number 2. Click Choose First Generation. Enter a name and choose a tier for the instance and click Create. Number 3. After the instance finishes installizing, select the instance to open it. Number 4. In Access Control Users, click Create User Account and create a user with name, root and specify a root password. This create the MySQL user root. Number 5. In Databases, click New Database and create a database with a database name. MySQL Workbench. MySQL Workbench is a unified visual tool for database architects, developers and DBA. MySQL Workbench provides data modeling, SQL development and comprehensive administrative tools. For server configuration, your administration, backup and much more. Refer https://www.mysql.com. Products Workbench. Now we will see how to connect to your Google Cloud SQL instance database with MySQL Workbench. Configuring access. Number 1. Go to the Cloud SQL Instances page in the Google Cloud Platform console and select the instance. Number 2. In Access Control IP address, click Request IPv4 address and copy it instance IPv4 address. It is needed to connect your Google Cloud SQL instance database with admin tools like MySQL Workbench. Note: you will be charged for IPv4 address AR each hour the instance is inactive. Each hour the instance is active. Google IP address to find your public IP address. Number 2. In Access Control Authorization Authorized Network, click Add Network and enter your IP address. Number 3. In Access Control Users, create a user with username, password and the option Allow any host selected. It is recommended to use a separate user account to access from Workbench. Connecting. Number 1. In the MySQL Workbench home view, click New Connection. In the Setup New connection window. Provide a connection name, host name and username. Click test connection. You will be prompted for a password. Once the MySQL connection is made successful, click OK and click the saved connection to open SQL editor. Google App Engine. Google App Engine is a platform for building scalable web application and mobile back-end applications. Engine will scale your application automatically. Refer https://cloud.google.com App Engine. Now we all see how to set up a connection between App Engine application and a Cloud SQL instance.